Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in today's class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to discuss lesson number 10. So, at first, what we are going to do, we will study the lesson first, try to understand, okay, and in next class we will complete all the activities and question answer. So let's understand. So here a story is given and before the starter is given. So let's read the starter. It is given here. It is not always easy to make choices about the directions of our lives. One voice may tell us to raise to excellence, and another equally strong may try to keep us down. Here is the story of an eagle that listened to the right voice. The starter it is given students that it is not always easy to make choices. What is happening that in our life sometimes what is happening, so many types of conditions are there, so many ways you will get, and it is not always easy to make the right choice. What is happening sometime, what happens, lots of ways are there. Some person will say you that don't do this, someone will say no, you supposed to do this, and what you are going to choose, it is very difficult for you that time. So here it is given, it is not always easy to make choices about the directions of our lives, means about the directions of our life, it is not always easy to make the choices. One voice may tell us to raise to the excellence, and another equally strong may try to keep us down. What will happen? One voice, someone will say you, okay, tell us to raise to the excellence, and if you choose that path, what will happen? You will become excellent. That path is very good for you. But another equally strong, like you will feel that equally some strong other voice will come, which will try to make you down, okay, which will be not good for your development or your progress. So here one story is there about the eagle who has listened the right voice. Okay, in our life also, what we should do, always we try to find out what is right for you, okay, and then we must choose that path. So here it is a story, let's try to understand. A nest high on a magnificent mountain contains a few large eagle eggs. One day a strong wind shook the nest and an egg rolled down the mountain side. Coming to rest on a farm, the resident chickens felt they should care of such a gift from heaven. So they asked an old hen to sit on it for a while. She agreed. What happened? That story it is given in this manner, that a nest high on the magnificent mountain. Magnificent means what? Grand, very big. Okay, so a very big mountain was there. On the top of the mountain there was an eagle's nest. A nest was there of that nest belongs to eagles. Okay, in that nest what was happened? Some eggs were there, some large eagle's eggs. So one day what happened? Strong wind shook the nest. Shook, it is the past form of shake. Okay, it is the past form of shake, shook. So what happened one day? Due to the wind, due to the strong wind, what happened the next? That it shook the nest, and due to that what happened? And an egg rolled down the mountain side, and it fall mountain side, it rolled down and gone to the mountain side. Coming to the rest on a farm, and that egg it came into the rest in a farm, and the resident chicken felt they should care for such a gift from heaven. Okay, the resident chicken means in the mountain side some chickens they used to live there. So they thought that this is the gift from the heaven, means God has given them this gift, so they should take care of this gift. Okay, so they asked an old hen to sit on it. One means all the chicken, they have asked from one old hen to sit on that egg. What is happening? If bird will not sit on the egg, then what will happen? Egg will not hatch. What bird is doing while sitting on the egg? They are what they are doing? They are providing warmth, heat. Due to that, the eggs get nurtured, and when it is getting the right temperature, warmth, then it is hatching. So because of that, what happened? They asked an old hen to sit on it for a while, and she agreed. Now the next, this was not the most comfortable things the hen had ever done. Okay, because that egg was eagle's egg, and it was not most comfortable things hen had ever done. They have not done such type of work in their life even. But her care and the heat from her body worked. But what happened? That old hen, she has cared egg a lot, and due to her warmth body, okay, the heat from her body worked, and finally the egg hatched and an eagle was born. Finally the egg got hatched, and from that one eagle was born. Unfortunately for the eagle, he was raised to be a chicken. It was the bad luck for the chicken, that for the eagle, that it was raised to be a chicken, like it was raised by the chicken. So that eagle was also understanding that I am also a chicken only, a rather unusual one, but a chicken nonetheless. And the saddest part of all was that he believed he was nothing more than a chicken. The saddest part of this event is what? That eagle, it was thinking that it is just a chicken only. Okay, it was not believing that I can fly also. It was thinking just I am a chicken. Okay, nothing else more than a chicken. Yet his spirit longed for sometimes else. Sometime its its spirit longed for something else. But every day, now and again, especially on bright sunny morning, he would look up and see eagles in the sky. Especially on that sunny morning, that eagle used to see other eagles who were flying in the sky. How he wished that he could fly like those birds. He also wished sometime that he could fly in the sky like those eagles. But whenever he mentioned this to the chickens, they would make fun of him and crackle. A chicken who wants to fly. Okay, what happened whenever he used to mention about this, that he wants to fly? So other chicken, they used to make fun of him. They used to crackle, because crackle means they used to tease him. A chicken who wants to fly, that how chicken can fly? A chicken, he is the chicken who wants to fly. Okay. Then one day an eagle, probably his own brother or sister, flew low over the farm and called out him, "Why are you down there and not up here flying with us?" Then what happened? One day an eagle, maybe probably his brother or sister, flew low over the farm, and it came low over the farm, and he called it out, "Why are you down there? And why and not up here flying with us? Why are not flying with us? What you are doing there downside?" Then the eagle said, "I am a chicken." He answered, "I can't fly." He said that I am just a chicken, so how I can fly? "Of course you can fly," the eagle responded. The eagle responded that of course you can fly. You are not just a chicken. You are an eagle like me. You are also eagle like me, like how I am there. In the same manner, you are also eagle. You are no more chicken. Look at your wings. Are those the wings of a chicken? Which wings you are having? Just see your wings and do you think that these wings are of a chicken's wing? But I can't fly, was his unhappy reply. Then also he replied that, but I can't fly. Yes, you can, do as I am. Then the eagle, one of the eagle, he said that yes, of course you can fly. And look at me, how I am doing, do as I am doing. Okay, and so with some hesitation, our eagle spread his mighty wings for the first time. To his surprise, he soon found himself soaring in the skies. So what happened? And so with some hesitation, finally, that our eagle, who was raised like a chicken, he opened his mighty wings for the first time, and it was his surprise that he soon found himself soaring in the skies. He found himself that he is flying in the sky. Okay, so this is the story. Now what do you understand from this story? The moral of the story is that in your life so many people will be there, so many persons will be there who will give you lots of choices, lots of suggestions, and yourself also you might find some things that what you should do, what you should not do. Sometimes you may be confused in choosing your choices, that what I should really do or what I should not do. Okay, so in that those situations, what you supposed to do, what is the right choice, how you will make the right choice? This is a big question in front of you. Sometimes what is happening, we are doing the right things, our parents, our elders, they love us, they want the best for us, and they will give you the good suggestions. So we must follow your parents, your teachers, your elders suggestions. And sometimes what is happening, your friends will give you such type of suggestions that you feel that yeah, my friends are right, but when you do that, after that you will depend on yourself. So you should not do like that. Actually, one of the quotation I want to share here, and it is a very famous quotation quoted by the Swami Vivekananda. He has said that what happened, we are free to make choices. Okay, we are free to make choices, like that what happened, you can do anything, whatever you wish, whatever your choice is, that you are free to choose the choice, that whatever you want to choose in your life you may choose. You are free to make the choices, but make sure that you are not free from its consequences. Consequences means result, means for making the choices you are free, anything you can do, but you are not free from its consequence, means from its result. Whatever you will choose, the path or the choice, according to that you will get the result or the consequences. So therefore what you should do, by keeping the result in your mind, you should choose the path. If what I am going to do, what will be its consequence, what will be its result, by keeping this thing in your mind, you make the choice, then you will always make the right choice. Okay, so this is the moral of the today's story. And now further home assignment. Today's home assignment is read lesson 10 nicely and try to understand what lesson I have explained you. Lesson 10, you will read very nicely once again whole lesson nicely. The next homework is that complete the question and answer of lesson 10 in your book and learn nicely. So whatever lesson I have explained related to that, there are some questions are there, around 10 questions are there. So what will you do, you will try to complete those questions in your book only and learn them nicely. And in next class again I will explain you the question answer, I will explain. So that time you can match. First this will be given as a homework to you only to complete. After that I will explain you and you will match. So this is all for today's class. Thank you students, and have a nice day.